Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates here need to be made. And the big dynamic here that occurred was that, temporarily speaking, today the price did actually break up through that red line there, which I talked about at 35.50. So the price got the gap up above that area right there. Problem is, it's almost like the bears flipped the light switch for the momentum, and the momentum just disappeared and back down it went, so much so that essentially closed at the lows of the day and has now put this level of support within striking distance on Monday. And that's going to be a level that myself and I'm sure a lot of other traders are going to be watching, because that's just one of those levels of support that sticks out like a sore thumb. You go through the history of things and you can see that price found support right there. Price found support right there. And as long as those areas have held, I mean, it's drawn in a lot of people. But that brings about the question of, okay, well, what happens if the price goes down there and doesn't hold at that point? Well, you better believe there's going to be lots of shorts watching that area. There's going to be lots of longs watching that area. And that would be an area where maybe some stop losses are at. So I'm not saying that this is a guarantee of anything, because guarantees don't exist. But my point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price goes down there, breaks through that level, that could very well create quite a bit of downside pressure. So a lot of people will be watching 33.50, like I said, myself included. In the event the price goes down there and cannot hold above it and does fail, then at that point, next key level of support would be down there around $32.75. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, yeah, you still do have the overarching level up there at 35.50, but before you really put much focus on that, price first needs to break up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the well-known 50-period moving average, which is currently valued right there at 34. We'll call it 80. So rough day today. We'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.